Good morning, and here's a quick set of instructions for your unit tests. And I will post the same video for all of your unit tests, but since this is the first one, you'll obviously scroll right down here to Unit 1, and you'll see that at the bottom, your unit test study guide has been posted there since the beginning of the semester. So you can just click on this. It is not an assignment. There is nothing here that you need to turn into me. These are just the resources that I provide to you so that you are prepared to take the test and can do the best that you can on the test. You'll see that there are two things. There's a Google Doc, and then there is a link in this case, it is a link for a Kahoot. So you will click here on the Google Doc. This is a Google Doc that you have access to print. So if you want, you can print the study guide and you could write right on it and then use your study guide when you take the test. That's probably the easiest and best thing that you can do, is just to come up here and hit File and Print. If you do not have a printer and you would like to have a copy of the study guide for you to actually type into, then what you need to do is you need to click here on File and then click Make a Copy. Please don't send me a request asking for access to it. You have access to it. It is not a document for you to turn in, so you just need to make a copy. So go to File and Make a Copy. The other option is you could choose Download and download it as a Microsoft Word document. You could do that as well to your computer. Either one will work, but you can also make a copy as a Google Doc. And then that way you'll have your own. You can type in it as well and put whatever you'd like and save it to your computer. There is a link here for a Kahoot game. You can play the Kahoot game as many times as you would like. It reviews the questions that are on the study guide, except for if there are any short answer questions. You're welcome to use that as well to review your study guide. And each unit, you have a study guide already posted that you can use as you go through. So those are the instructions for how you make your own copy. Good luck, and please let me know if you have any questions about anything on the study guide. I'd be happy to review it with you if you have particular questions that you would like to ask me about. So have a great week, and let me know if I can help you in any way.